So there's a speculation na gobyerno yun, there's speculation, may nagsasabi, kami daw ni Bato nagplano or kanina tinanong nyo. Legitimate question yung tanong nyo. Diversionary. If it was a diversionary tactic, it was crazy. Why? When you did that, lalong dumami yung tao dito eh. Lalong dumami yung police. That's why nga Sec. John Vic wanted to go upstairs to make sure he's okay. But nung kausap ko yung anak, his tired, etc., I respected that. Sec. John Vic respected that. But kagabi, bumaba pa si Senator Bato. Bumaba pa siya para magpakita eh. That was the last time I saw him. Go ahead.
Pero SP doon, sa binasa niyo po, inamin po ng asawa ni Senator Bato na he used that commotion, ano yung nangyari, para makalabas ng Senate.
I will not interpret because sabi niya baka. Because he did not escape during, after. But ang sabi din kasi nung asawa niya, after niya nakita na someone will go so far as lusubing a Senate just to get him, that's why he did it. Kasi kung if I was in his shoes, I will escape when it's least expected. But again, mali yung word na escape because there's no warrant eh. Diba? There's no warrant. So, he's free to go. When you, for example pumunta ka sa simbahan at sabihin mo, I'm seeking sanctuary. Pag gusto mo nang umalis, pwede kang umalis. It happened kay June Lozada. He slept on my couch on the 5th floor. And then, nung sinabi, doon na lang siya sa mga madre, and then sinabi, doon na lang siya sa Lasal Green Hills, lumipat siya doon.
Kung walang warrant, bakit siya nagtago dito sa Senate? Bakit siya...
Because hinabol siya ng mga NBI na walang warrant. So, I'm not saying as a fact walang warrant. Excuse me. I'm saying they did not present the warrant to us. And I'm waiting for it. They did not give us. If they gave me the warrant, my advice could have been different. So, same. Kayo nag-seek sanctuary dito. Sabi nyo, sir, media kami, inaaresto kami, wala namang warrant. I talk to the police. Ba't nyo hinahabol? Wala, sir. Or may warrant. Nasaan ang warrant? Wala. Sabihin ko, dito muna kayo sa Senate. 3 days later, wala pa rin yung warrant. Sabihin mo, boss, gusto ko nang umuwi. Umuwi ka na. Diba? So that's the reality. Is it the best? I want him to attend each and every session. I want him to be there. I told him last night, Sen Bato, sana you can attend the impeachment. It's his constitutional duty.